Are you tired of your mobile app blending into the digital crowd? It's time to stand out and thrive. Get ready because we share 6 expert tips to make your mobile app stand out. Focus on what your users want and create an interface that's not just functional, but also delightful to navigate. Don't overwhelm your users with unnecessary features. Streamline your app to keep it sleek, efficient, and user-friendly. Break free from the ordinary. Infuse your app with unique features that solve real problems or provide a fresh take on existing solutions. Make sure your app undergoes rigorous testing. Identify and fix bugs to ensure a smooth user experience from day one. Positive reviews build trust, while constructive criticism helps you refine your app for continuous improvement. Timing is everything. Plan your launch strategically, create anticipation, and make a splash in the app market. There you have it. Expert tips to transform your mobile app from ordinary to extraordinary. Ready to create a sensation? Visit Hurix.com for in-depth insights and take your app to new heights.